Hi everyone. So in this video we'll talk about a couple of integer methods, or you can say the number methods in JavaScript ES6. The first method is a Number.isInteger method, which is basically used whenever you want to check if the value which you are passing is integer or not. Let's see this in action. So it is Number.isInteger. So if I'll pass 5 here, I'll get 2. But if I'll pass some string like this, I'll get false. If I'll pass some decimal like this, I'll get false. So the value should be integer. The next method is IsNan method, which is basically used to check if the value which you are passing is not a number. Previously we used to do like this, IsNan, and we'll pass some string here, for example hello. Just save it, and this is the output. Because it's not a number, what is happening behind the scene, it is trying to convert this string into a number and it is failing to convert it, so we are getting true as a result because it's not a number. But in case of Number.isNan, you will get false because it only operates on numbers, plus the isNan function should also return true. So if I'll put a string here, isNan will give me true, but because this is not a number, I'll get false. So just remember, whenever you're making use of Number.isNan, it will check for two things. First, it should be a number. Second, isNan function should return true for it. When these both conditions are true, only then you will get true, otherwise it will be false. The next method is IsFinite method. It will only return true if a number is finite. So we already have IsFinite method with the window object. So let's put window here and put finite. Now let's put some number like 10 and see the output. So it's true. Now let's make it Number.isFinite. We'll get true. But there's some slight problem with null. If I'll pass null here, I'll get false, which is absolutely right. But in case of window object, I'll get true. So you will end up using Number.isFinite. The next method is Number.parseInt method, which works like parseInt. So just put parseInt here first and put here 30, and this will be output. Same output you will get in case of Number.parseInt. Okay. Next method is parseFloat, which is pretty much the same. So if I'll put 30.5, I'll get this output. If I'll just simply remove this part, number dot, I'll get the same output. So these are the couple of methods which you will probably use in JavaScript in the upcoming future, and I hope you got the point how they actually work. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.